Fetch Rewards withdrawal denials usually happen because of account verification problems, reward eligibility issues, or information that does not match the account. By the end, you'll know what to check when Fetch Rewards refuses a withdrawal, and the steps that can help resolve the issue. Start by checking your Fetch Rewards account information. Withdrawal problems can happen when account details are incomplete, outdated, or do not match the information required for rewards processing. Open the Fetch Rewards app and review your profile details to make sure everything is accurate. Next, check whether your account has completed any required verification steps. Some reward platforms require users to confirm account information before certain features become available. Look for any notifications, emails, or messages from Fetch Rewards that explain why the withdrawal was denied. You should also check your reward balance and make sure the withdrawal request meets the app's requirements. If your account does not meet the conditions for a withdrawal, the request may not go through until those requirements are completed. Another step is updating the Fetch Rewards app. An outdated app version can cause display problems or prevent account features from working correctly. Open your device's app store, install any available Fetch Rewards update, and restart the app. If the withdrawal was denied after a recent account change, sign out of Fetch Rewards and sign back in. This refreshes your account session and can help load the latest account information. Avoid creating a new account to bypass a withdrawal issue. Multiple accounts can create additional account problems and make it harder to verify ownership. If your withdrawal is still denied, contact Fetch Rewards support through the app. Include the details of the issue, such as when the withdrawal failed, what message appeared, and what troubleshooting steps you already tried. Clear information helps support identify the problem faster. The main fixes are simple. Check your account details, complete any required verification, update the app, and contact support if the problem continues. Open Fetch Rewards and review your account notifications before trying another withdrawal request. Subscribe for more cashback app fixes, reward app guides, and troubleshooting videos. And like the video if this helped you fix a Fetch Rewards withdrawal problem.